Want to add that cool cinematic scrolling text effects like movie credits or lyric videos to your edits? This is the easiest and most comprehensive guide for the CapCut text scroll effects. So in here, I'll show you the simple steps to make your text move smoothly from the bottom to the top of the screen. Now, let's just get started. First, you can start by launching CapCut on your phone and start a new project. Here I'm going to just use a black screen for the background. Okay, like this. And now you can just add the text. Let's click on add text in here and then type your text. So in here I'm going to use song lyrics to these for this tutorial, and you can modify the durations. I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, like this. So now what you need to do, you can first customize the font size and color. So I'm going to change the color, the font. Okay, the styles, I'm going to change the style into this. Okay, let's try this one right here. And now the trick is that you can use keyframe to make the text move. So first you can bring the text all the way down like this and then add keyframes at the start. Now I'm going to go in the middle and move the text up like this and go to the end and move it all the way up. Okay, let's see how it moves. So if you want to make it slower, you can adjust the durations again of the text right here. And I'm going to delete the keyframes first. Okay. Here I'm going to move it like this and make the text longer. I'm going to move it again to the top. Okay, as you guys can see, it will become slower now. So guys, that's how you can create the viral scroll text effects in CapCut. I hope you found this helpful, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.